Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the KT extinction, aka the extinction of the dinosaurs. It occurred approximately 66 million years ago, with approximately 75% of all species and 90% of all marine species going extinct. The mass extinction resulted in the Age of Mammals, which was a period of time following rapid evolution due to the lack of competition, resulting in, among other things, the diversification of mammals, with the average mammal being 9% larger than mammals predating the extinction event, the appearance of neo-aves, which were early wingless birds, and the diversification of butterflies because of the lack of competition with plant-eating insects. The commonly accepted reason for the KT extinction is the ElBarras Hypothesis. ElBarras proposed that the extinction was caused by a large bolide, a comet or asteroid, that hit the Earth. Evidence of this hypothesis is the 180-kilometer Chicxulub crater in the Gulf of Mexico, dated to have happened approximately 66 million years ago. More evidence is that the KT boundary has significant amounts of iridium, an element less common than gold on Earth, but one that is commonly found in asteroids. Within the KT boundary, the abundance of iridium is twice that of gold, a ratio consistent with that of asteroids. There are several alternative explanations. One of the most supported alternative explanation is the eruption of the Deccan Traps in Siberia. They began erupting around 68 million years ago, with the bulk of their eruptions occurring over the course of 800,000 years. In this case, there are two ways the eruptions could have caused the mass extinction. The first is that the release of dust and sulfuric aerosols would have blocked sunlight, preventing photosynthesis. The second is that the increased carbon emissions would have increased the greenhouse effect, raising the Earth's average temperature. The issue with this explanation is that these two reasons would have resulted in a much longer extinction event, on the scale of around 2 million years, whereas based on geological and fossil evidence, we believe that the KT extinction only lasted around 10,000. Another alternative explanation is that the KT extinction was caused by a combination of factors, including the bolide impact that formed the Chicxulub crater, the eruptions of the Deccan Traps, and the global lowering of sea level. The bolide impact would have aided in the extinction by darkening the Earth and cooling it, preventing sunlight from passing through. The eruptions of the Deccan Traps would have aided in this as well, both through the clouds of ash that would have prevented photosynthesis, as well as through the carbon emissions caused by the eruptions, amplifying the greenhouse effect. Finally, the lowered sea levels, which are believed to have dropped because the mid-ocean ridges became less active for a time and collapsed in on themselves under their weight, would have greatly reduced continental shelf area, enough to explain the massive extinction of marine life, as the continental shelves are the ideal living environment for most marine species. It also would have further aided the heating of the Earth by reducing Earth's albedo.